My name is Ben Lerner. I live in Center City, Philadelphia. I'm 82 years old. Baseball has been gripping me for as long as I can remember. I was a ball player up until the time I was about 12 years old. I started to play again in adult senior baseball leagues. But after a couple of years doing that, I noticed that I not only couldn't pitch, but I was having a lot of pain when I tried to throw overhand. For a while, I just stopped playing. I had an arthritic degeneration of my left shoulder. My doctor told me that I would have to have shoulder replacement surgery. Within 4 months of the surgery, I was doing something that I hadn't been able to do at all for many, many years, and that was to throw overhand and to swing a bat without pain. This is a period in my life where actually I've lost a lot. And at a time of that kind of loss, Rothman gave me something back. Rothman specializes in shoulder so that I can specialize in my passion, which is baseball.